Do you ever want warm seasoned cheese you can eat with your hands? Then you need to make these viral jalapeno cheese bars. They're spicy and they taste like the cheese layer on a pizza, even though they're made from cheddar and Monterey Jack cheeses. Eggs and flour provide just a little structure, and seasonings round out the flavor. Let me show you how to make it. First, dice up 3 massive green jalapenos to get about a 1/3 cup. I did not remove the seeds. Now the recipe calls for bacon, but I used about a 1/4 cup of chopped red jalapenos that I can get anytime because I'm in South Texas. Mix up the jalapenos, shred 8 ounces of cheddar and 8 ounces of Monterey Jack. Mix the jalapenos, and I added seasonings like garlic and onion powder set aside. In a large bowl, add about 7 ounces of evaporated milk, then add 1 egg and a 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. Whisk to combine till smooth. Add the cheese, jalapeno, and seasoning mixture. Mix to combine. Then pour into a greased 8 by 8 inch pan and bake for about 40 minutes or until golden brown and bubbling. Cool for half an hour, then slice and serve. Enjoy.